The seminar, which was held virtually and in person, featured some of the big names in Guyana's emerging oil and gas sector, who were invited to discuss a number of labor-related issues. It was intended to provide information for the entities to comply with the country's labor laws. Labor Minister Joseph Hamilton told reporters that the seminar is timely in the wake of a number of breaches committed by some of these companies.
I've seen contracts where oil and gas company in the contract is debarring an employee from even participating in labor union. That's a criminal offense. So those kinds of things, the employment agencies need to be regularized.
In addition, issues surrounding the payment of overtime and apprentices training by some companies were also on the agenda. Last week, several workers employed by a subcontractor of ExxonMobil spoke out about the mistreatment they were forced to endure by the company. The workers related that they were not being paid overtime and that there were no health insurance benefits. Asked whether health insurance is a requirement for the entities, the minister said no and that the decision lies with the company. However, there is need for the companies to honor their obligations to the employees, whether they are on or off.
I thought a person working with the oil and gas company, more so offshore, they go out there and they work 3 months, I think, or something like that, and then they have this rotation where they come back for 28 days onshore. As I understand it, at that moment, the 28 days, the employee, they have no cover. For that 28 days, they don't belong to the oil and gas company. They have no responsibility to them, and that must end.
In order to ensure compliance, the Ministry of Labor has been deploying labor officers on the vessels. Minister Hamilton added that discussions are underway for monthly inspections at the work sites. Temika Rodney reporting for the HGB Nightly News.